for that Battlefield 6 DirectX crash. Step-by-step fix for DXGI error device hung / GetDeviceRemovedReason. 1. Update GPU drivers properly. Go to NVIDIA's site, download the latest game-ready driver, not Studio. Use DDU display driver uninstaller in safe mode to remove old drivers, then clean install the new one. 2. Lock Battlefield 6 to DX12. In-game settings, graphics, force DirectX 12. If you're already on DX12 and crashing, try adding DX12 in Steam Epic Launch options. 3. Tweak NVIDIA control panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings, Battlefield 6, Power Management Mode, prefer maximum performance, Low Latency Mode on, Shader Cache on, Default Disk. 4. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Turn ray tracing off. Set DLSS FSR to quality or balanced, avoid ultra performance. Lower texture streaming, mesh quality to medium. 5. Disable overclocks, reset your GPU and CPU to stock speeds. Even factory OC cards, like many 4070 Supers, can trigger this crash in DX12. 6. Increase TDR delay, Windows registry. Press Win-R, type regedit. Navigate H-key local machine system, current control set, control graphics drivers. Create a DWORD 32-bit value named TDR delay, set it to 10. Restart PC. This gives the GPU more time before Windows kills it with device hung. 7. Repair verify game files. Steam, Epic, right-click, Battlefield 6, Properties, Verify integrity. 8. Check background apps. Disable overlays, Discord, GeForce Experience, MSI Afterburner, turn off third-party injectors or mods. 9. Last resort. Reinstall the game on a different SSD NVMe drive. If still failing, roll back to an older stable NVIDIA driver. Sometimes the newest can be buggy with new games. Most people fix it by combining DDU plus clean driver install plus disabling RTOC plus TDR delay tweak. Do you want me to also make you a short Reddit